स्वागत गर्नुहुन्छ त्यो लिने होइन
फोटो लिने हो
फोटो भनेपछि अफिसको नाम लिनु पऱ्यो नि पहिलेदेखि अनि त्यहाँ गएर रोकिराख्नु पछि सिङ्गर राख्नु
नमस्ते स्वागत गर्नुहुन्छ सबैजनालाई युट्युब नेपालमा। अहिले हाम्रो अर्थमन्त्री स्वर्णिम वाग्ले डाक्टर स्वर्णिम वाग्लेजी यहाँ उपस्थित भइसक्नु भएको छ वीरगन्जमा र उहाँ चाहिँ अहिले आइसिबी गेटको ठिक अगाडि आइसिबी 2 नम्बर गेटको ठिक अगाडि आइसक्नु भएको छ, हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
हाम्रो अब इन्डियातर्फ एक्सपोर्ट हुने गेट इन्डियाबाट आउने चाहिँ हाम्रो इम्पोर्ट गेट कि यसलाई इन्डिया गेट नम्बर 2 त्यताबाट अहिले इम्पोर्ट मेन हाम्रो इन्ट्रान्स प्रवेश ठाउँ भनेको यहाँ हाम्रो इन्डियन साइड उता गएर यहाँ हामीले यहाँबाट एक्जिट गरेर पठाउँछौँ। त्यस पछाडि स्क्यानर पनि यो 10,000 नोमेन्ट हामी यता उनीहरूको स्क्यानर पनि छ। यहाँबाट सिस्टममा प्रवेश गरिसकेपछि एउटा क्युआर एउटा पेपरमा अनि 80 स्टार्ट हुन्छ। यो गाडी प्रवेश गर्न साथ हाम्रो तौल मेसिनमा जान्छ। यहाँ तौल मेसिन राखेको छ, त्यहाँ तौल हुन्छ। तौल हुनुपर्ने गाडी त्यहाँ तौल हुन्छ, तौल नहुनुपर्ने गाडीहरू तौल हुँदैन। अनि त्यस पछाडि त्यो ट्रान्सपोर्टिङ गर्ने वेयर हाउसमा जाने त्यो प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हुन्छ। आशीर्वादले अटोमेटिकली ठिकै छ पछि जाउँछ।
त्यसो परिचय गराउँदै गर्नु न त के हुन्छ हुन्छ हुन्छ
ल चाँडै फलेको फुलेको हेर्न पाइन्छ। यो फलेर त्यस्तै फल्छ। एउटा फोटो समाज
हामी अहिले यहाँ ड्राइपोर्टतिर अनुगमनको लागि उपस्थित भएका छौँ है।
So we have coils, we have billets. So that is dedicated for a specific line. So that becomes our line number 6A. Now apart from this kind of shipment, we also handle bulk cargo, which is all about coal. So we have different lines dedicated for different business models. Is the only problem.
So one more thing we need to discuss for the commercial facilities. So the machinery that has been provided to us by the NHAI, that is the machine which is being provided for the handling of the containers, that is being outdated of so many old age. We need a replacement of that machine. But we have raised this issue before also. So if we could get a replacement of that machine, which is of the new time of more handling capacity, that would enable us to faster the turnaround handling time and the handling equipments in a lesser time. Because nowadays, whenever we try to operate it, hardly even just after an hour, it comes out with the oil leakage problem. Reach taker, the machine through which we lift the containers. So that we need the replacement. That is the yes. So that is the more crucial thing for us. If we could get a new machine in place of that old age machine, that would be more help from the government side. More things if we allow so. So there are many cargoes which is that here of so many years back. They are about to, and most of the cargo got. Why can't they be cleared? Just because a custom is not getting making it clear. But they have been stored since so many years, like more than 5 years, more than 4 years. They are not being cleared either for the disposal, because they are of no use, even for the market, even for the any of the merchants. So why they are not being cleared? That is a point of concern for us, because they are not being utilizing our warehouse for the other items, and that is why we are losing our revenue also.
This way, please.
Sorry, 3,000 in some, okay? 3,000 in.
Sir, we can have a bird's eye view, entire view, sir. We have three major categories out here. One is the electronic items, second is the food items, chow chow being the main stuff, and then we have wine. So these are the three major categories out here in the world.
How long do they get stored for?
It depends upon the importer. So there is plenty of cargo for which they have not taken delivery. So they are lying at you.
जो कार्गो 5 साल से ज़्यादा से पड़ा हुआ है, फोकस होने का